133. Number 1. The art school used 10 liters of each color to paint in art class. If there were 7 different colors of paint, how many liters of paint did the school use altogether? The big clue is altogether, which means I'm going to be putting things together to find a total. So if there was 10 liters of each color, 10 liters of each color, and there were 7 different colors, it's going to be a multiplication problem. 10 times 7 is 70. So that's the number of liters the school used altogether, 70. Number 2, find the area by counting the square units. To find the area, they want you to count up all the squares, then you'll find the area. 731 plus 169, 731, 169, 1 plus 9 is 10. Carry the 1 over. 3 and 1 is 4, plus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry the 1 over, put the 0. 1 and 7 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. 4. Shapes A and B both have a perimeter of 30 meters. Calculate the areas of shape A and shape B. Area equals length times the width, so 5 times 10, and then this is 9 times 6. Okay, 21 divided by 3, or 3 times something, equals 21. Number 6, the parade lasted 30 minutes. It started at 10:20 a.m. What time did the parade end? It lasted 30 minutes, and this is when it started. I'm going to add the 30 minutes to the minutes over here. So I already know 3 and 5 is, or 3, well, it would be 5, because 3 plus 2 is 5, so it would be 50. So the time did end at 10:50. It's in the morning, so it's a.m. 7. Compare the shaded parts of the 2 rectangles and choose the correct sign. Okay, I'm looking at the parts. Greater than, less than, or equal to. One thing to notice is that the pieces in this one are larger than this one, even though you have 1, 2, 3, 4 colored in here and 1, 2, 3, 4 colored in here. You have to look closely because these pieces are bigger than these pieces, meaning you have more over here than you do over here. And if I look at my denominators, the higher you get in your denominator, the smaller the pieces are going to get. So 4/6 is greater than 4/8. 8. The driveway was 63 feet long. How many 9 feet long cars could it hold? How many could it hold? This to me sounds like a division problem, because how much can fit in 63? Because 63 is the length of the driveway. So 63 divided by, I put an equal sign. I meant to put division sign. 63 divided by 9, or 9 times blank equals 63. 9. The number line is divided into 4 equal parts. Fill in the missing fractions. Let's look at my number line. 0 would be 0 over 4, because 4 represents the number of pieces it is cut into. 1 over 4, follow the pattern. 2 over 4. 2 over 4, 4 over 4. 10. Write 22 tens as a base 10 number. So 22 tens be 220. That'd be your base 10 number. You just add a 0 to the 22 if you have 22 tens. 6 times 9, 12. Round 456 to the nearest 10. This number is not going to change because I'm not rounding to the nearest 100. This number will change, or it will stay the same. So my closest tens are either 50 or 60. But I have to look at my ones place to determine if I'm going to round up or down. If the number in the ones place is greater than 5, or if it's 5, you round up. So this number is greater. So I'm going to round up. It's going to be 460. 13. 313 take away 175. 14. Choose a description that matches the picture. 15 divided into 3 equal shares, or 15 divided into 5 equal shares. Each one of these is a group, or they call it a share. We have 3 equal shares. The 15 should be the total amount that you have. 15. Turn to page 297 of your hands-on pages. Measure the worm, popsicle stick, mouse, pencil, and green bean to the nearest quarter inch. This line plot starts at 3-inch mark. Use X's to add the data. If you have a ruler, feel free to do it. If you don't, you can skip it. If you have any questions about this lesson, just let me know. Thanks for watching.